Hi, Startup Grind. It's Prateek Mathur here from Activate at Scale. So sales makes or breaks a startup. And it's really easy to make a mistake when you're hiring for a salesperson. After all, a good enough salesperson can sell themselves and interview really well. And that's why I created Activate at Scale, a marketplace that connects startups with a pre-vetted sales talent pool. This talent pool represents organizations such as Snowflake, Google, AWS, Salesforce, Samsara, and can be hired hourly, part-time, or full-time. And the best can be converted as employees. Now, wouldn't it be great if you could hire a salesperson and try them just as you buy software today? And wouldn't it be even better if you could hire them on a one-click checkout just as you buy goods from Amazon today? Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to meeting you at the event.
Hi, I'm Laura, the founder and CEO of Awake Teams. Awake Teams is a data-driven and team-based platform that empowers HR leaders to drive employee engagement, belonging, retention, and profitability. HR leaders spend at least $15 billion a year developing crucial soft skills and never quite know the impact. And the numbers aren't getting better. Integrating a peer feedback algorithm, Awake Teams uses social learning, peer accountability, and feedback to embed new behaviors and measure impact. We currently have 2 paying Fortune 500 customers, a strong sales pipeline, and we're raising a $1.5 million seed round to enable us to rapidly iterate on the product and close more sales. Thank you.
Like this, 5 fingers balled up in a one firm fist. So if history is written by the victor, then leave blank pages with a space for my picture. Cause this is what I live for. Coming up.
Hi there, I'm Chetan Damani, founder of Cashew Voice. So there's over 1 billion users using platforms like Alexa and Google Assistant out there, and consumers are using these devices almost on a daily basis. Yet there aren't many publishers who are launching experiences there. So we've got clients like TripAdvisor, Amazon, MetOffice, TV Guide who are launching experiences, using our tools to then drive audiences, and then using our monetization tools to actually help monetize these skills. So until now, it hasn't been possible to build big and monetize. Our tools enable these publishers to do that. To date, we've raised $250,000. We're on an ARR of $500,000. We have 15 people, and we set up in 2020.
Chillo is a mobile app allowing college students and young professionals the ability to find their next place to call home, search credible roommates through background checks and ID checks, while bringing peer reviews to the housing market for the very first time. There are 133 million renters in the US and over 1.3 million apartment complexes, of which failed roommate scenarios are the #1 reason for terminated leases and increased vacancy rates, costing most tenants a whopping 80% of their monthly income when forced to make an unforeseen move, and property managers millions of dollars per year in vacancies. At Chillo, we help reduce terminated leases by providing a community of trusted and verified tenants and roommates, allowing potential roommates to really understand who they are choosing to live with before signing a lease. Since launching on the App Store October of 2021, we've had over 1,000 downloads and have partnered with over 14 apartment complexes, including some of the largest names out there, Greystar, Roundhouse, and more.
Today we hear everyone is saying that data is new gold and new oil. Data is everywhere, and the demand for efficient data integration and data management solutions is growing every day. Datum is a group of people who have been working with data for 20 plus years and then went on a mission to help companies, data engineers, and citizen data workers to be more efficient and agile. We've built a data integration platform that automates complex and boring data integration tasks using AI and lets people focus on where the human brains are needed the most: analytics, data science, etc. We call this concept AI-defined data integration. Our platform doesn't do what the human cannot do, but rather significantly simplifies the task. So whether you need to scale your data engineering team or manage complex data landscapes more efficiently, Datum can help.
Hi everyone, my name is Serge Amouzou. I'm the CEO and founder of FinPro. I believe Excel is a black hole, and your time is best spent outside of it. And we're making that possible here at FinPro. The problem we're solving is that a lot of people spend time in spreadsheets, building different business models and scenarios, and they're often just dragging and filling in cells, which is a huge time suck. Our software helps teams understand cash flow 10 times faster, and our dashboard helps them make financial decisions in real time. We focus on the approval process. For example, product managers in organizations need to get approval to get new projects off the ground. They're oftentimes in spreadsheets gathering financial data from sales, marketing, finance, and product teams. And everyone formats their spreadsheets differently. And so this leads to chaotic collaboration. With our software, product managers can work with operations, sales, marketing, finance for approval and feedback to increase company bottom line. Thank you.
Do you know what is the biggest regret people have in their life? It is not spending enough time with their loved ones and not unleashing their hidden potential. So what we do at FitExpress 365 is we help you achieve your fitness, health, and wellness goals so that you can live a long life and meaningful life by providing you ready-made options. All you have to do is to log into our website and book your consultation with our health, beauty, wellness, and fitness experts. Apart from this, because it's a hybrid e-commerce, what you can do is you can also buy products from our site that covers all 4 categories, including beauty, health, wellness, and fitness. Sounds interesting? Join FitExpress 365 now.
%70 of digital projects fail because they can't get the right tech talent onboarded at the right time. This is not a new problem. I spent years at Gartner advising CEOs and CIOs on how to find the right talent. But it's got worse. Supply and demand is becoming a bigger challenge for whether you're a huge organization or whether you're just starting out. So I decided to take my experience from Gartner and the 12 years I spent as a recruiter before that to launch Gig.ai. Gig.ai is an ecosystem of AI-driven and blockchain products that allow you to source and onboard tech talent in a matter of minutes. We've enjoyed amazing growth since we launched in July. We're now raising just over $9 million to launch in the US. I really look forward to the opportunity to having more conversations throughout the conference.
Hi, my name is Raven McNeil, and I'm the CEO and founder of Heal Me Fit. Heal Me Fit is a SaaS software platform to help trucking companies capture biometric data from truckers off of a wearable. Truck drivers with a BMI greater than 35 are 77% more likely to cause accidents. One person is injured or killed in a truck accident every 16 minutes, leading to safety and compliance issues. Heal Me Fit, we are providing real-time, actionable health data to decrease the risk and costs associated with safety and compliance. We want to help the industry decrease accidents and work-related injuries while keeping their people healthy and safe behind the wheel of those trucks. Thank you and have a great day.
Hello, my name is Toby, co-founder and former IT exec who said goodbye to the corporate world to help startups and marketing agencies scale big with Yellow.com. 9 out of 10 startups fail in the go-to-market strategy, 4.4 million of them in the United States. At the same time, 6 out of 10 marketing agencies sorely fail because they can't find projects from startups, 86,000 of them in the US. With automated, data-driven matching algorithms, Yellow.com solves this and intelligently matches both parties. The team has a diverse skill set with a growth mindset. In 6 months, we built a running platform, onboarded 100+ agencies and startups, and we are growing double digits every week. To scale even bigger, we will soon bring the AI to the next level, run that digital marketing machine, and onboard the right people to our team. For that, we are seeking $1.3 million to reach that same number in revenue in 18 months. Interested?
Hello everyone, my name is Alex and I am a software test engineer. In my daily work, I use a special type of tool called Test Case Management System. I don't want to use a proprietary solution because I hate vendor lock-in, I hate black boxes. However, I don't want to use an abundant open source alternative either. I want to use a modern product which is completely transparent, has an active community behind it, and has the manpower to support my requirements. I need security updates, bug fixes, and new functionality on a regular basis. I need a product which will support my company next month, next year, and after 10 years. That's why our team set on a mission to transform the testing process for everyone else. Kivity CMS is the leading open source test management system for manual and automated testing. Kivity CMS has been created for testers by testers. Kivity CMS has reached almost 2 million downloads to date. Thank you.
Hi everyone, we are Loop. Loop is a Swedish startup based in Stockholm, and we have been at the forefront of learning and development for the past few years. Having the right skills is one of the top priorities for organizations globally. Through our unique peer-to-peer platform, employees can connect, engage, and share insights and experiences with peers. Peer-to-peer is the most natural and effective way of learning, and at the same time creates unlimited networks within the organizations. If you want to know more, reach out at loop.work or info@loop.work. Thank you very much.
At Mariposa Technology, we are developing a revolutionary protocol for rapid in-field testing of industrial hemp. By utilizing a handheld Raman spectrometer paired with our proprietary database, we will provide affordable, accurate, and immediate test results. Our technology will bring the power of self-testing to farmers and labs at a fraction of the price of traditional laboratory testing. Today, farmers in all 50 states face one common impediment to a successful hemp harvest: keeping their crops below the mandated level of 0.3% total THC content, commonly referred to as hot hemp. In most states, farmers have to coordinate specimen testing with a licensed handler as well as a licensed laboratory, and the timeline for testing can be anywhere from 1 to 7 days with a very high price tag and inconsistent results. Our service works in the field, in real time, and delivers accurate results within seconds. Through our groundbreaking technology and software as a service subscription, we aim to replace costly and time-consuming methods of traditional testing and to dramatically reduce the carbon footprint of the hemp testing industry at large.
Hello, I'm Abubakar Sial, the founder of Octolearn. I've been a part of the education sector for 8 years and have observed firsthand limitations of the conventional model of education. Student strengths and weaknesses lie along a spectrum, whereas a standardized model assumes that all students are the same. This leads to poor learning outcomes and academic underachievement. At Octolearn, we optimize learning for K-12 students through pathways that adapt to the needs of each individual and generate performance data for targeted intervention. We will initially launch in Pakistan, where we have an addressable market of $5 billion and no direct competitor in the adaptive learning space. The Octolearn framework is highly scalable and can be mapped onto any international curriculum. We've already received strong interest from education institutions in Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates. We're currently raising $300,000 for a pre-seed round and would love to speak with potential partners. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Adil Masrani. I'm the founder and CEO of Fly. Fly is a neighborhood social network that models real cities in a beautiful virtual 3D world, turning places into social hubs that engage people with communities and businesses around. Users create instant timelines of their daily activities and events at any place and engage with others publicly or privately. As such, It addresses our deep need to belong and integrate into communities of our daily lives and be part of what's happening around us. We soft launched in April last year and surpassed 30,000 user signups with minimal marketing. We're currently pre-revenue, and monetization will be based on tokenized NFTs of places and landmarks, in addition to 3D gamified ads. We're looking for $5 to $6 million of investment. With all the buzz you've been hearing lately on the news about the metaverse, we've already done it with actual product and users today. This is the real world metaverse, and it's here right now.
Hello, my name is Freddy Linares, CEO of Pixmap.
Hi, I am Rafaela Chavez, CPO of Pixmap.
Pixmap is an image analytics tool for e-commerce performance. It provides our user a powerful insight for understanding image and video attention in just a few seconds. Pixmap was built with machine learning and computer vision algorithms trained with thousands of eye gaze records that predicts visual attention and the click-through rate.
The surge of e-commerce is an amazing opportunity for Pixmap to enhance the industry by helping them increase their product page conversion rate. We want Pixmap to become the next leading image analytic tool and help millions of e-commerce businesses to simplify the ways of attracting clients to their products or services through the power of image.
We'll be honored to take part in this program and take Pixmap to the next level.
Download Pixmap and join us in this adventure.
I'm Nimira, founder and CEO of Scepter. Over 50% of VC-backed startups fail during the growth stage. I have extensively worked with startups, small to large enterprises solving complex business problems. The key problem being lacking the right strategic framework, leading to misalignment, management chaos, and downward spiral trends. With hybrid workplaces, enterprises are looking for ways to reduce cost centers, increase agility, and innovation. Like Salesforce, we have created an integrated growth management platform on cloud for C-Suite. One team, one vision, and one data source. C-Suite can create their strategic roadmap using OKRs, innovation management, and data-driven decision-making, creating 360 alignment with customers and employees. As a forward-thinking company, we have been selected to be IBM partners. So take a leap with us on our startup journey, or visit our website at scepter.io.
Hey, my name is Sarah, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of ShareID. You have probably been through one of these ID verification solutions in the market while opening a bank account or renting a house on Airbnb, or any operation that actually requires you to prove that you are who you claim to be. But isn't it frustrating to go through the same process again and again? At ShareID, we decided to go further than this repetitive ID verification. We provide an authentication as a service solution, but with official identity. We issue a reusable digital identity linked to the official identity, enabling businesses to trigger on demand an ID verification, exactly like if the user was showing his ID card again and again, but without the need to do it. And it's in real time. This is the future of identity management, as we enable digital trust. Think about Connect with Google, Connect with Facebook, but with the official identity, that would be ShareID.
Hello guys, my name is Alexandra, and today I want to introduce you into our innovative Smart Swimsuits project. What does it mean? First, you can get even 10 without 10 lines through this swimsuit. Sounds like magic? It's just science. This innovative fabric works as SPF 35 effect. It protects your skin from the sunburn, and it also protects our oceans, especially corals, because you don't need to use sunscreen or less sunscreen when you wear this swimsuit. Super cool, right? It's super environmentally friendly product, and we are so proud about it. Also, this swimsuit dries up between 5 to 10 minutes on your body after swimming, and they doesn't fade or lose color during 2 years if you will wear this swimsuit every day. We are making sales already, we are looking for the partners, we are looking for the investors, and we can't wait to see you in your smart swimsuit. Smart swimsuits, let's save our oceans together.
Hey everyone, my name is Ashwath and I'm the founder and CEO of Social Current. We match brands with influencers on TikTok so that they can increase sales, revenue, and drive more awareness. In our customer discovery, we really found that brands struggled with finding the right influencers on TikTok. And then when they did find the right influencers, they struggled with strategy on TikTok, especially when video content can either go to 1,000 people or 1 million people. And so that's why we started building Social Current, to help brands find the exact perfect influencer, and then also get matched with an account manager who will help them navigate influencer strategy on the platform. We've done this from all sorts of small nonprofits to large tech companies like Microsoft, helping them find the right influencer to run TikTok campaigns. In the past, our campaigns have reached as many as 12 million people at a CPM of 15 cents at a ROI of 15x. We look forward to answering your questions through Startup Grind Pitch, and yeah, we'll see you there.
Hi, I'm Israel Gonzalez, co-founder and CTO of SquadFlow.
Hi, I'm Jordan, co-founder and CEO of SquadFlow. SquadFlow facilitates youth sports communication, development, and recruitment, accelerating growth within athletes so they can become the best versions of themselves.
As coaches ourselves, we've been doing market research for years without even knowing it. Current leaders in the team communication industry lack connection of athletes with recruitment and or next level advancement.
Just like 97% of athletes around the world, I wish I could have pursued my dreams of becoming a collegiate wrestler if I had someone or something to help me with it.
Same for me for football. We released our beta to 5 high school teams and plan to release to the public in April.
We would like to invite you to become a part of every athlete's journey in making a name for themselves and following their dreams, just like the people on TV. Making the Super Bowl.
Hi, I'm Daniel from Superlinked, the social infrastructure for the internet. Have you noticed how all the software you use today is basically a social network? Your runs get likes on Strava, you shop the feed on Poshmark, a post on House makes you hire an architect, and the best investments? Well, let's see what's trending on Public. And all that on top of the obviously social stuff. Events, communities, niche social networks. Today, social is everywhere. Now, the one thing that all these products have in common is they have a social backend that's trying to figure out who should interact with who in the product. Getting that to work well is super important and very difficult. You'll have to trust me on that. I've been a tech lead at YouTube for a bunch of years. At Superlinked, we are building that social backend. First, to power the social experience in each of these products independently, but eventually to make them work together. We are running pilots with event platforms, communities, and social networks, and we are raising a pre-seed round just to handle the demand in our pipeline. Check us out at superlinked.com.
There are 5 million English language learners in the U.S. public schools today, and the fastest growing student population in the country. But did you know 2 million of those students will not graduate from high school? Literacy is the power to succeed academically and professionally. The Text Hub exists to take that power and put it in the hands of our students. We are the online digital literacy platform specifically designed for English language learners of all ages, offering groundbreaking features such as our interactive and intelligent phonics program, as well as our curated library content with assessments, have helped students like Alejandro, who moved here from El Salvador, whose reading Lexile levels improved within 3 months. We are going to integrate our platform into 140,000 schools across the nation with long-term plans to expand to the 375 million English learners across the globe. We're looking to raise $1 million in seed funding to bring our vision to a reality. Together, let's bridge the achievement gap for Alejandro and the millions of students like him.
Hello, Amplify is here. Advertising platform for the live stream market. Twitch, YouTube Live, Facebook Live, etc. The live stream market grows double digits year over year. More than 1 billion people watching live stream every month. And brands wants to reach the streamer's audience. So we have built a platform to reach the streamer's audience in a programmatic way. So some people call us multi-channel ad network in the live stream. So we bring transparency, scalability, and efficiency, which is currently absent in the live stream market. All is still done by hands. So we operate in Europe, United States, Latin America, and India, generated $500,000 USD revenue last year. We bring technology to the live stream influencer marketing. Happy to talk more. Keep in touch.
Hi, I'm Kaspar from Lightblick, and I'd like to introduce to you our newest addition to our software, object recognition. With our dual camera system, we've already perfected the ability to reliably measure the distance from objects and obstacles. By comparing two parallel camera pictures, we offer precise information about your surroundings, helping you to navigate better in a three-dimensional space.
But it doesn't end there. In conversations with experts in the mobility, logistics, and production sectors, we came to realize a singular problem they were all facing. One that other technologies and software were not addressing. With that information, we concluded that object detection is only as successful as its ability to not only measure the distance to the obstacle, but also recognize the type of obstacle it may encounter.
With our new object recognition technology supporting our reliable dual camera system, Lightblick is now a complete solution for object detection and recognition. The potential applications of these combinations are limitless.
The only thing missing is you. Let our software help you improve your workflow, your security, and your products. Get the Lightblick.
Hi there, this is Sogol Malek. I am the blockchain developer at Web3 Hacker and founder of Extremely. On behalf of my team, I'm representing Extremely. Extremely is the first cross-chain platform like a TikTok for NFTs with short live videos made of metaverse avatars, digital assets, and VR components for tokenized self-expression. Extremely presents a digestible catalog of all parallel metaverses in augmented video communities where users can stream short live video clips from any metaverse experience in interactive communities. Users can also duet with any other video with their own short live clips in public threads. User profile on Extremely can be also deployed as a self-expression by operating as an iCloud for all chain NFTs and aggregating on and off chain data from the user. And it can be also used like authentication for all Web3 application gates. By gathering such a community-based platform, we redefine the creator economy in the realms of DAOs. Extremely aims to tokenize the communities and let creators of each community govern their own generated content, how they want to deploy that, how they want to sell, or how they want to get access to that. Thank you so much for your attention.